In 10 years of selling accounts online, right, look at my videos online, you will not see any of my videos selling methods, alright? This video is on how to make an unlimited eBay account. So if you want to know how to make an eBay account which has got unlimited selling allowances with no restrictions, contact me, okay? This means that you can list any quantity and any value on the account, okay? And the price is very cheap because you need to order below. It's less customer service for me. If you want me to talk to you for hours and hours and hours and explain how it all works, there's a different price because obviously my time is valuable. I've been making accounts for many years, but if you just want a quick checkout, some private videos on how to do it with instructions, like a PDF format, and you can read up all about it, follow the link below, buy it, and then you get access to my private videos where you can learn how to make unlimited eBay accounts. When I mean unlimited, I mean the quantity and the value on the account will be unrestricted, which means you can list billions and billions of items and products. It's not advisable to go crazy and, you know, if you do like a few thousand a week, that is okay, because eBay might flag the account. You get warranty, so if anything goes wrong and you don't like the product, you don't like my concept, you get a refund, okay? This is the first time I've ever put a method, selling the method on YouTube, okay? So contact me if you're interested, or follow the link below, obviously.